Father's Day is coming up. On this occasion, it's usually the children giving back to their dads and showing their gratitude for the role they have played in their lives. But what if the dads haven't particularly stepped up to the plate and hasn't been the best male role model they could have been? Perhaps for this Father's Day, the opposite can be done. Fathers can take part in a workshop to ensure they are properly providing for their kids. A father's relationship with his children is an irreplaceable bond. Unfortunately, in Aruba, more of these types of relationships are needed. In many family circumstances, the presence of a dad is necessary.
In my professional world, I have been seeing a lot of lack of fathers, which has negative influence in families. And that's the reason why I think I am the appointed one, just to show the different aspects, which is very important for fathers to have a positive father role. During these 3 nights, we will be giving attention to, first of all, to the fathers being there involved in how their development has been going on with their own fathers. As statistics has been showing, we are lacking a lot of fathers in our families on Aruba.
Michael Quant, a psychiatric nurse and father himself, says the workshops will focus on a few key topics.
We will be having 3 nights in which we will be giving attention to specific issues such as why fathers and fathering is important, being the father you want to be, guidance and discipline, building your child's self-esteem, and the future of your child. We have to let our fathers know that we have to take our responsibilities as fathers. You can be at home with your children, but you can also be not in the development of children at home, which both of them is same important for the children.
The workshops organized by Family First will be both theoretical and practical. It is important for the dads to absorb the information being given. It will be more of a dad-to-dad interactive session.
We will not only be giving information, but it's going to be interactive, because we want fathers to recognize what is being said, because it is shown also, if you want to talk with fathers, you have to have a father talking with fathers. It will have a better influence, and we want to do it in this way. We will be having 3 nights. This is the first part. The second part we will be giving in September. What is very important, this is a chance now for every father, but also young boys who are going to be fathers to also be involved. We would like to invite all of them to be present.
The workshop targets existing dads, soon-to-be dads, younger dads, and older fathers. For more information or to register for the Family First workshop, email info@familyfirstaruba.org. Thank you so much for being with us today. Join us weeknights on ATV Channel 15 at 7:15 p.m. for your local updates and, of course, trending lifestyle topics. We'll see you then.